What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PappiiQ, aka Quan, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, I will be letting my little brother decide what I wear to school tomorrow. Now, this might be a good idea or a bad idea, depending. Well, it might do be a good idea because you know what I'm saying, the drip running a family. But let's check the time. It is currently, I don't know if y'all can see, but it is 8:21, the night before school. And I will be letting him pick my outfit for school tomorrow. And yes, I have to wear that outfit to school, whatever he picks. We're gonna pray, leave some prayers in the comments for me. Hopefully it's drip. But if you are new, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and go downstairs and see if he done with the video. But as y'all can see, this the little drip. I know I got the chicken legs. We ain't even gonna get into that. It's not even no drip. I look like a bum. Too much talking. So yeah, man, let's go downstairs. Yo, what's going on, bro? I got a question. Get your feet down. Look, I got a question. Put your phone down, bro. All right, look, I'm filming this video, right? And I need you to pick my outfit out for school tomorrow. You down or nah?
Yeah.
All right, come on, bet. Let's go. So, y'all heard it here first. He said yeah. So we're gonna go ahead. I don't know why I look so yellow, but yeah, man. Oh. Wrong light. Alright, look, bro. I'm going to let you pick out my outfit for school tomorrow. Look, bro, you can pick whatever you want. Do not have me looking like no bum or no clown. The drip running the family, so you know what I'm saying? You gotta have me looking sissy, alright? Alright, bro, I'm leaving this up to you. Don't have me looking stupid. Okay?
What is that?
Look at this dude. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and let him pick my outfit. I'm gonna just set the camera up right here, and I'm gonna go downstairs. And when I go downstairs, I'm gonna give you a 1 minute timer. You have 1 minute to pick out an outfit for me. No, I'm gonna bump it to 2 minutes.
No,
you got 2 minutes to pick out an outfit for me. All right. In them 2 minutes, you gotta find me some drip. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, and I'm gonna catch y'all once the camera is set up. All right, man. I got the camera set up, as y'all can see. Y'all can see like the shoes, the clothes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I got the timer. I'm gonna put it on 2 minutes. I'm gonna set a 2 minute timer, and you're gonna have 2 minutes to pick an outfit.
Alright.
Let it be drippy. I'm gonna leave you to it. I'm gonna go downstairs. And yeah, man, good luck. Timer. No, I'm opening the door. I'm gonna start the timer once. Tell me when to start.
Start. Alright, y'all. I just do that. Alright, y'all. I'm PappiiQ brother, aka Jonathan. If y'all know me, y'all go to my school and stuff. But you already tell by the title what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be picking his outfit for 24 hours for tomorrow, basically. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's go. So, you know, first you gotta pick your pants to match with it. So let's start. Let's see. These pants fire. It's fire, dog. It's fire, mate. I'll pick. Oh my gosh. I'm pick this one. This one right here. Fire. Fire, bro. I got drip for sale. Next, you know, I gotta pick him a shirt and a jacket and some shoes over there. So I'm gonna go to the shirt real quick. What has this dude been doing? Doo-doo. He be taking this, why he be taking doo-doos? Nah, I ain't gonna pay that. He was stupid. Alright, I picked this. It look kind of old, but feel comfortable. Like no cap, feel comfortable. Got the back. And yeah, put that down over here. Now next, we'll get him a jacket. The jacket gotta go with that outfit. So. Oh, this one uncomfortable. It's comfortable. It's real comfortable. Alright. So I'm gonna pick this. The junk feel good. It's off. And yeah, see what it says. I don't know what that is. Oh, it says state. It's S-T-A-T-E. Throw that over here. Now next, first I'm gonna go over here. See some shoes. Oh, these shoes are between this one and nope. I'm gonna pick these shoes. These shoes right here. Feel me? Feel me? Catch the drip, catch the drip. Alright, hold on, let me put this down here. But now we gotta wait till that 2-minute timer go off. Yeah. Hold up.
I'm just playing. Hey, the 2-minute timer up, man. I gave him a little more. I gave him a little more than 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Had to grab a little snack. But I haven't seen the outfit yet, so I'm gonna close my eyes. Let's go ahead and do this outfit review, man. Alright, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, countdown. First, you gotta hit that like button to 2,000 subscribers. If you don't hit 2,000 subscribers, then
2,000.
I don't know what's wrong with y'all.
2,000 subscribers?
I mean like 2,000 likes. Some technical difficulties.
Y'all heard that first, man. Y'all heard that first.
2,000 likes, and I want you to smash that like button.
Y'all heard what you said, man.
Smash,
Alright, look, come on, let's get to the outfit. Let's get to the
Alright.
outfit. Let's get to the outfit.
Do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, open your eyes and turn behind you.
Oh! No, I'm just playing. Okay, I'm rocking with it. Got a drip. I haven't worn this hoodie in a long time, actually, as y'all can see. Got this state worldwide citizen hoodie. Not worldwide, world citizen. I really haven't worn this hoodie in a minute. Okay. Where you get this from, but I forgot I had this. It's a Metallica shirt. Boom. Boom. Oh! And we got my favorite jeans. Yes, bro, these are my favorite jeans. If y'all don't know, y'all can see on my Instagram. I got a couple pictures with them. Got these cargo super skinny jeans with the zippers at the bottom. Y'all can see. These my favorite jeans, bro. I'm rocking with you for that one. You know what I'm
PappiiQ ain't PappiiQ without his clock goggles.
Oh yeah, then I got, hold on, man, hold on. You know what I'm saying? Hey, then for the shoes, he has my Bordeaux 7s, bro. You been watching my videos?
No, duh.
Oh, man. Cause these are my favorite shoes if you guys do not know, man. It's just something about them. I just like the shoe. But, bro, you really picked a humble outfit from, you had a lot of choices from Yeezys to Jeremy Scott to even Off-Whites, like, and you went with these, you know what I'm saying? Hey, the drip running in the family, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, that basically is the outfit. I will be throwing on a little accessory with the headband, you know what I'm saying? And I also will have my bag on. But I'm gonna go ahead and try on this outfit, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I got it on. Alright, man, I threw the little outfit on or whatever, you know what I'm saying, and it's looking pretty drippy. I really have not worn this jacket in a long time. But as y'all can see, I threw him a little headband, you know what I'm saying, with the clout goggles. I'm not even gonna call these clout goggles. I'm gonna call them cozy goggles. These are the cozy goggles. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, my brother really, you know, I didn't expect him to pick out no little decent outfit like this. This outfit is pretty fire. It's not fire, I'll rate it probably 10 out of 10 just because of the, you know what I'm saying, my feet. Like, look at my feet, that's hard. But look, man, this will wrap up for tonight. I will catch y'all in the morning, and I will be vlogging at school tomorrow with this outfit on. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the AM. All right, man, so I just woke up, throwing my clothes, you know what I'm saying. I got the outfit on, as y'all can see. Skinnies. I don't have on the shoes right now because, you know what I'm saying, I'm just walking around the house getting ready for school, and I'm gonna throw that on last. But you know, y'all already know, y'all seen my morning routine and all. I'm just gonna finish up what I gotta do, And I'm gonna head to school. I'm gonna catch y'all once I get to school. What's good, YouTube? We at school, man.
I ain't never drove, bro. I drove, but I ain't never drove like on the freeway.
We in first period with it, dude. We got the boy in here, man. We got the boy right here, man. What's your name?
Marshall.
Yeah, man. Got my outfit on. As y'all can see, I'm just gonna be pulling out the camera at various times just to like show y'all, you know what I'm saying? It ain't really too interesting because it's school, but yeah, this my day, this my class.
And he's gay.
There ain't really too many people in here. No, I'm not in the slow class. Man, stupid. It's just,
Yeah, we slow here.
Somebody just DM'd you.
but yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all, boy. Alright, who we here with? Oh.
What's that more?
Alright. What's the letter before A?
Before A?
Yeah.
A. Wait. Z. B.
What's 9 times 8?
Shit, I don't know. 42. Wait. 72.
How many oceans are in the United States?
10.
7. 7.
I said in the United States.
In the United States?
Yeah.
7. What's funny?
I don't know. So I can't even think.
It's an ocean in the United States.
Nigga!
We in lunch with it, man.
I would have got down cutting home and see that.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm cutting my job.
Got my dog right here in the building, man. Hey. You gotta get earrings in it.
Oh, we are in the library. We got Sai Baby. Say something.
I don't know if I should go.
Pete the drip, Pete the drip.
Huh?
Pete the drip. Who we got in a bit? What yo? Look, this my library at my school, y'all. Oh. You look gay. Yeah, man. This is my class. I don't got a period, so this is my class. We live at school. We are in the library, live in Banneker High School, and reporting for duty. This is the drip. Check it out. This is the drip. Check it out.
You feel me? That weak ass shit. I dressed that nigga this morning. And that nigga said this.
You know how to fight? Cause I might beat your ass.
Yeah, y'all boy, go add me on Facebook at Marshall.
Not the book face.
No. But y'all boy go add me on Facebook, you feel me? That's where I be at. I don't be at, what's that one app called?
Instagram,
yeah.
Who's the fucking wrong?
Y'all go follow me on there too, though. It's gonna pop it right here on the screen.
Oh, Jay got out of school with it. Oh, man, it is hot.
I don't care.
Too hot. This outfit was not it, man. This is way too hot. But yeah, man. Your mama dressed me. Anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all boy when I get to the house because it's way too hot. Alright, man. So I just got to the house and on my doorstep got me a little package. I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs and show y'all what it is. Yeah, man. Alright, man. So I just got to the crib and like I showed y'all before, got me a little package. Y'all might know what this is. Go down in the comment section right now and guess what it is. And if you get it right, I might follow you back on Instagram. Hey, man. Hey. The junk shipped done fast too. It came overnight with it. Oh, But I was thinking about this junk all day in school, like, and that made no sense. I don't know if y'all can see, but it says fragile, you know what I'm saying? Open this up. Oh, it's just a little packaging or whatever. Got my little, whatever this is. Some papers, we don't care about it. Some of this, I don't care about it. But damn, what is that? It look like a new iPhone to me. I don't know if y'all don't know. Well, if y'all don't know, I have the iPhone X. Like, I skipped the X Max and the XR because like it was basically the same phone, so I waited till this one to drop. And yes, man, I got my little iPhone 11, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna give y'all a little unboxing as well. I don't know if y'all can see. That's that 256 gigabyte mojo. Focus on me, dude. Alright, look, check this out, check this out. Oh, this is a little thing right here. Bro, I was thinking about this junk all day today at school, as y'all can see. Oh. Oh. This junk just looks so beautiful, bro. Y'all already know what coming in packaging or whatever. And this, I'm not no unboxing channel, but as y'all can see, man, the new iPhone 11 Pro Max in the gold colorway. It is. Let me know if y'all want me to do a West on my iPhone, because I'm gonna transfer all my stuff over to this phone. Yeah, man. I might vlog a little bit with this phone too. I don't know. But yeah, man, that's basically gonna wrap up this video. I wore this outfit the whole day. I was mad hot. I took the shoes off because, you know what I'm saying, I'm in the house. But that will wrap up today's video. If you are new, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, man. And yeah, clothing line coming soon. Just know. It's your boy PappiiQ, and I am out. I'm gonna go play on my phone, y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
Love it, they checking on you. I get a guap, I flex on you. Ooh. She's somebody with no two, not in the house, right in the coop. Ooh.